All right, guys, so I really want you to understand that starting a Pacific franchise isn't going to cost you millions of dollars. In this video here, I'm just going to share some very, very rough numbers of what it might cost you to get started. Now, please understand these are really rough numbers. This is not, perfect financial guidance for you. If you want more exact numbers, please refer to our franchise disclosure document, which is like our legal document that outlines all this stuff. Also on our website, pacificfranchise.com, we have a little bit of a better chart that'll show you a little more. But this is just really rough numbers just so you understand, all right? So initial investment. So it really is broken down into three categories. So the first category is just going to be your new business costs. So when you own a franchise, you actually own your own little business that just operates under the Pacific name. So to start up that business, it costs a little bit of money. Okay, you have insurance, you have licensing fees, you have professional fees that are all just involved anytime you start a business, whether you do it with us or you do it on your oon. So the low end estimate for that kind of stuff is around $1,450. Again, this could vary depending on what state you're in, depending what kind of insurance you need in your state, stuff like that. Again, just a really, really rough number. $1,400 you need on hand, or if you want to pay by credit card for this stuff, that's up to you. Then you're going to need some basic items, okay? You're going to need the wrap for your vehicle, which is like the yellow branded Pacific wrap that we have on all our trucks, okay? You're going to need some technology such as a tablet or laptop or just something simple to run your business on every day. You're going to need uniforms, which is like the basic Pacific uniform, which is just a blue shirt, blue pants. They're really not that expensive. All that stuff, again, a rough number, depends on what kind of truck you have and stuff, how to wrap it. Low end estimates around $3,300 for that stuff, okay? Now, the biggest part of your investment, of course, is going to be your vehicle and equipment. So you need to have a van or a pickup truck to basically run your franchise. You need tools and you need initial inventory material. That stuff, it's really hard for me to put a number on because most of that stuff we advise you to, or what we recommend, what some of our current guys have done, is just pay over time. For example, a van, you're not going to lay out $30,000, $40,000 up front. You're going to pretty much maybe put no money down and you're going to pay this monthly. Maybe it's $400 or $500 a month. Your tools, a lot of guys have tools coming in, just like a lot of guys sometimes have trucks coming in. So if you have the tools, that's a cost you don't have to put out. Material, so for your material from site one, your heads, your valves, your fittings, all that kind of stuff. You don't need to pay site one right away. You could put those on payment terms over 30, 60, or 90 days. There's nothing wrong with doing that. That's a great way to get your business started if you don't have a lot of money. You establish credit with these guys and you pay over time. That's the way most of our guys have done it, and that just helps you get your foot in the door and get started. So again, those are really, really rough costs. If you really want a little more information, you basically have to talk to us. So give us a call. We can guide you depending on your situation, on your area, what you have, what you don't have. A lot of times we buy trucks in bulk because we have so many franchises. So sometimes we can help you get a deal, and we can help you get a deal on a lot of this stuff. So it's really going to vary, but just please understand this isn't going to cost you $1 million to get started. There's not any type of crazy fees. It's a small business. We try and keep your numbers low. We can offer you a lot of guidance. We can really help you out. This way you're not burning money. Just talk to us. Give us a call. We'll help you out the best we can. Thank you, guys.